Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for the Crazy Crafty Creators YouTube hop. It is where my downline from close to my heart, here's all of my information. Go check it out. All of my downline and a bunch of my good friends that are in the YouTube within my business, my company, we all get together once a month and we push each other to have different challenges and all that stuff. So we have created a YouTube hop within each other. So make sure that you go check out everybody that is down linked below. I absolutely love this. Now I am taking the collection, one of the collections that is no longer available in a catalog, but it is online. And it is one of the birthday collections. So what I decided to do is that it is the workshop. And what I am doing is putting it all together and making it its own like layout, right? So the collection that I am using, I'm looking it up right now because I had it. Anyway, while I'm going over this, so this photo is of my daughter. It's her birthday picture of what her favorite item is, and it's her American Doll version. It's the version from Target. I think it's like My Generation or something like that. And I'm just using my paint stick that's in my stash. I absolutely love these sticks. I wish this is something that I wish Close to My Heart would come up with something like this or whatnot, because let me tell you, I would buy every last one of them. But the collection that I am using, it is one of them that is online only. So on the website, you just go to the online only section, and it's called the Cake Day. So the Cake Day card making workshop kit, and with or without protectors of the scrapbooking kit, is still available. And I always get the one without the protectors because I use a different brand for the protectors, and I love theirs too. It's just that, once you get your own and you stick to it, right? So what I'm doing is that I'm making this birthday cake, and I'm just going along and decided that this is what is going to be part of the collection that I'm going to make for this layout, and I super love it. This birthday one is last year's birthday, right before Josh got home. So my friend Fran came down for the birthday part, the birthday, and it was just her and I and Kaylin, and she absolutely loved that. So that is what this is. And then it's I think it's the My Generation doll. It's whatever one is at Target. It's like the version of the American Doll. So that is what I am doing there, and I am going to stick this photo underneath the cake and extend it out as if it's part of the cake. And that's kind of like my thought process of why I did it the way I did, and it just works. It's perfect. So I am now just going through all of my papers and just adding all these little bits and bobs to it. Like I said, I just truly love how this collection is so bright and gorgeous, and I'm so glad I've still got quite a bit of it left to finish out her birthday collection for this particular year. I think I've got a couple more photos. I didn't get a cake. I mean, we celebrate birthdays, but we're not a big birthday people. I think we're just not a big celebration family. I mean, we do more trips and we celebrate that way in our everyday moments versus the big things. So I will say I'm not one to have a big, a big party or, big thing and have a bunch of people over and whatnot. I know sooner or later Kaylin will probably want something, but for right now she is good with the way we do it, and it works out perfect for us. So make sure that you go check out everybody. My birthday is coming up shortly in the month of June, and definitely will be going that route. By the time this goes up, I will be done with regular school for the school year, but then we'll be starting summer school here shortly. And I love what I do. I mean, it was a hard year. Like, I will tell you what, I was missing, by April and May, I was missing design team layouts. I barely put anything up on my channel the last 2 months. It was a lot. Like, it was a lot. Like, I mean, I know what teacher tired is, but I was never this bad. This year was just something else. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. I'm not even trying to explain it to the kid, to anybody. It's just been, it was insanity, insane, however you want to look at it. But I am so glad that I am done. I am also so glad that Kaylin is done with school and she is doing summer school as well. It's her last time out at Freedom Park. So she will have her teacher have her. I think at least one of the teachers will. I know that her actual homeroom teacher is going to be one of the substitute or one of the teachers as well. So either way, she will do that. Daddy will pick her up and drop her, and then that will be the last time she will be out at Freedom Park. I realized that between my son going to Freedom Park and my daughter going to Freedom Park, we did 15 or 10, between 10 to 15 years. I think it's about 12 years that we had at Freedom Park between my children. So while military may not be able to be in that same household for that long, going to that same school, we were fortunate enough to where they have seen my children grow up, and I'm excited, but yet my daughter's got a kind of like, she thinks it's going to be cool to go home with mom or go to school with mom every day, and it's nothing like that. Like, I'm separated. I've already told Josh, I said, if anything goes wrong with my daughter while it's at Bel Air K-8, I have told every principal, I have told every person in there that you call my husband. I am a teacher at the school. I am not one for you. If she's doing something, you got to go somewhere. You got to go talk to my husband, because I'm not, it's not breaking it up. So it'll be interesting the first year to get her to understand that I am teacher mode, and if you're acting out, I'm going to tell you straight. So, but yep, it is done. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you like and subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.